और Kapatisi TV. ICFA University Meghalaya is now open for admissions for the academic year 2025. Explore our best courses and apply today. Fee concessions are available for domicile students of the state of Meghalaya.
Usumbun Menteri Ramba Kajalau ba Prestone tensong obobadru hakju opor katanat kampo yeng uloong bakan omja Eiei hak Sngi Rakhe Laitluid bat kajing Rakhe Laitluid kan Ïaid Beit klem jing thut uloong bag jing bamwanya shimenta jing gibreo hakini gisnam gibalalej kade nakadaw kajing slap haba phai pat shagisnam baladap uloong bag jingwan gibreo kabyang bat labatharu yagitanat badai pej bakin pinsuk yagipaj ba.
I have reviewed the the coming celebration of the Independence Day, and all the SPs or the DCs has assured us that the celebration will be sure happen peacefully, and I'm sure we will be able to do that, and no incident will happen during the celebration. Well, I think that is wrong. If you say that last 2 years people are not coming to take part in the celebration, I think that is totally wrong. Except if maybe due to heavy rain. If the heavy rain happens, that is different issue. But if you look at this the report, in fact, the turnout is very, very satisfactory, and I'm sure in this coming celebration also, people will fully take part as a token of gratefulness, as a token of gratitude, of remembering back the fighting that we had to get the independence of our own. Well, instruction has been given. I think it should be well, presented by the concerned department, and we have already even instructed all the concerned department to fully take part in this celebration of independence.
Wat penleno yakni kakabu ki sopti etho ki babha bat shongdor nadu sao po hajar hadu hnriu po hajar tingka menta philaban yo hakdor lai po hajar tingka ya ki sopti etho ba shongdor hinyo po hajar chaneng phinyo tang san po hajar tingka amtang kata kawei ki sopti kadai kawei ki design tang naka benta jongphi wan jit nok loi na molai moro bat namot pran pho no menta hau khandai sao lai hnriu san pra hinyo lai pra